Well, Woolworths is making headlines again. Remember when Thabo Bester was allegedly spotted at a Woolworths after he was believed to have died in the Maung prison fire? Now, Woolworths has come up again, this time at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. During today's proceedings, the commission heard that a whistleblower claims to have seen businessman Suleiman Karim at a Woolworths store while he has been absent from the inquiry on medical grounds. The commission also heard that CCTV footage has reportedly been requested to verify the alleged sighting. Karim has not returned to give evidence after his lead team previously cited medical reasons for his absence. It is important to note that today's proceedings were not about proving the allegation. The Commission was considering the information placed before it and discussing what further steps, if any, should be taken. At this stage, the alleged Woolworth sighting has not been independently confirmed, and the Commission has made no finding that Karim misrepresented his medical condition. We'll continue following the proceedings and bring you any verified developments as they unfold. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. And ciao.